Welcome to our entryway. So in our entryway, we just have this small mirror for getting ready. Our plants, which was one of the things I insisted on, was having some green in the van, and I really like how these turned out. Some hooks for our backpacks, our coats, our hats, any gear that we need handy by the front door. And then up here we actually have the same set of hooks that's down there hanging, and we use it for our towels after we shower at the gym, at Planet Fitness, or wet bathing suits, or anything that needs to kind of drip dry, because it can just drip right onto the floor here. So when you actually walk in, let me show you down here, we have a floor mat that is just kind of your standard doormat that we bought from Target, and we sliced it in half and we placed on the step. It's actually not even secure, so we can take it off, we can shake it out. We use it to wipe our feet instead of tracking in sand and mud and dirt from all of our outdoor adventures. We wipe our feet here, and then it keeps our floor a lot cleaner. We also put a lot of effort into making sure that we made this look really finished and clean by bringing the flooring down and around into this step area, and using this saddle to kind of clean it up and cover that edge there. So we're super happy with this flooring. We actually salvaged it as a leftover from Austin's parents' home improvement project. They had one box of flooring left over, and it was the perfect size to fit our entire floor. That made it sound like it was a big area, but the small area that is our exposed floor in this van, it was really meant to be.
Click here to watch the full van tour. We're also uploading our van build series showing how we built out this van for just $8,000. Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when a new video drops.